Welcome to our channel Civil Site Information. Today in this video I will tell you how to use dimension command in AutoCAD. So if you are a civil engineer or belong to construction field, this is the basic thing you should know about the dimension command. This is our channel Civil Site Information Unofficial. If you are new on our channel, kindly subscribe our channel. So let's start. This is our plane, lift station plane. So I will tell you how you can place the dimension commands or how to use dimension command. Let's start. You can place D. Here is the dim linear. You can check it, dim linear. Click on this. Click on this and this. You can get dimension. Okay, that is 280 centimeter. Again, you can use D command, dim linear, then put here and place here. This is 480 centi. This is very simple thing, very basic. You have to push D, dim linear, and you have to check the internal size of this. This is 450, but not this is 405. You can check the dimension is from here, not internal wall. So we have to rectify this. Click this one, select and delete. Press the delete command. This is delete. Again you can place dim linear command. Dim linear command here, here, that is 400. So now we can check the wall thickness. Again place the dim linear command here and select on this one. You can check it is 40 centi. Now I will explain to you how to increase the text height, the line colors, each and everything. Place D command. Here you can check dim style. Go to dim style. Here modify. Click on modify. Here you can check each and everything. Dimension line command. It means you can check that is blue. We can change the color of a dimension line. That is red. Yes, you can check here. This is the dimension line color. Now we can change this line color. That is also shown the blue. Let's suppose we place it yellow. Check it. You can change the color of the lines, dimension line from here. The first step is lines. Next is symbol arrow. I will explain to you what does it mean. This is the first. Let's suppose we will change to it this one. Check it. This one. Okay, let's suppose we will change to it like dot. Check it. So here you can change the arrows into different shapes, arrows and symbols. Let's suppose we will change to it this one. Check it. So you can select everyone. Okay, you should know how to change the dimension, line, colors, symbols and arrows. Here is the arrow size. It means let's suppose 12. We can place it 20. Okay. Yes, check it. This arrow size will increase this one. So when we place it 30, then okay, then we got the arrow size increase. The next step is text. I will explain you very shortly some specified commands that is very important to you. So here is the text. You can text. You can check. Here is the text color. We can change it. Let's suppose we will place it red. Yes, you can check. Each text color is changed now. Here is the text height. Let's suppose we want to increase the text size. That is 10. We can change it to 15. Oh, sorry, 20. So when we say OK, then close. You can check the text height size is changed. So again we go to dim styles. if you want to change style, lines, each and everything, you can go. Let's suppose here is the text height. Now we can want to draw a frame on the around the text. You can check there is a little bit of frame, no need. Okay. Text placement, where we want to place the text. Let's suppose above, you check above the lines, outside the lines, you got. Horizontal, let's suppose if we have any horizontal, at the end of lines, you can check at the end of lines. This one at over the extend line, last, you can check it. Here is the placement. I think center is the best option. You can change from here. Offset from the dim line, this is very important. We want to increase this one. What is the meaning of a half set from the dim line? Now I will explain and I will tell you. This is the half set. You can check this space. We will increase from this one. You can check dim style, modify again from this one. Half set from dim line. When we will increase there is a space between line and text. Here is the fit. You can change it, arrows, text, each and everything. So the next step is primary units. Here you can change the units. If you want to show in inches, in feet, here let's suppose we will change it in engineering. Now you got it in inches. Let's suppose I will show you this. You can check it. That is 40 cm. You can again change it, no problem. Go dim style, modify, and here engineering, you can decimal. Decimal means you have whatever units you already selected in your AutoCAD sheet. Let's suppose you are selected in centimeters, millimeters, or meters, the decimal me, or this one. Now we will show. Okay, close it. You can check it, different size. Now this is the basic thing. This is the dimension command is a very basic. You can use it on let's suppose I will make a new rectangle here. Okay, we can change the color from yellow here. Now let's suppose you want to show the dimension here. Again command dim linear, select the top end point. Here is a 210. Okay, again let's suppose you want to show the dimension on the top of it. Again dim linear, go. You can increase the text. Let's suppose I will show you to change the lines color. Again go to dim style, modify, lines, you can change it red. Check it. This is the dimension lines. And if you want to change the extension line, this one is the extension lines. So I will change to it in blue. Now I will show you. Close it. Check. The dimension lines is red, and the extension line, that is we have selected for yellow. So this one is. So it is a very basic thing to use the dimension command in AutoCAD. Daily you should practice on it. It's a very basic things. So thank you so much. This is our channel, civil site information unofficial. If you are new on our channel, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. If I upload a new video related to construction field, related to AutoCAD, you got a notification and you can learn through that video. Thank you so much. Now the next video I will tell to you how to place image on AutoCAD. Thank you so much.